Welcome everyone to Savage Motors. Today we have an absolute treat for you guys with the stunning 2019 Audi Q5 for sale. Very sleek here with the blacked out package and tinted windows all around. This is the 40 TDI model with the Quattro all-wheel drive spec, packing 20-inch wheels wrapped in 255/45/20 tires and red calipers. It's also fully optioned and actually a pretty fast car considering the size of it. And that's thanks to the 2-liter turbo diesel TDI engine with valve variable timing, making about 250 horsepower and 370 Newton meters of torque. Let's have a look at interiors now with the new design steering wheel and the new futuristic full digital gauge main display with visually appealing graphics and details. And what about the full black leather package? That's just stunning. We got wrapping sport seats on 8-way electric adjustments, lumbar support and heated feature. Top of the line luxury also with the keyless entry. And then memory seat, power windows, power mirrors, heated mirrors and so on. The gearbox is an all-wheel drive 7-speed automatic with sport mode and manual sport mode, selectable either with the main gear stick or with the actual shift pedals behind the steering wheel. A detail I really appreciated on this top-of-the-line Q5. A very cool feature is the navigation map being displayed on the digital dashboard between gauges, and also being able to interact with it with the multiple controls and buttons on the steering wheel, which allow to configure features and settings without going through the main LCD infotainment system. And then the auto LED lights, fog lights, the cruise control down here, and also the controls for the heads-up display, which is very visible as you can see here with the traveling speed, lane assist, lane departure, overtaking and many more features like the speed alert and cruise control alert. Another very interesting detail in this luxurious Q5 is the air conditioning controls, with a soft touch feature and very clear and neat display. And also the front seats heating buttons with 3 different levels of intensity. The row of buttons below are comprehensive of Audi Select, which allows a quick selection of the driving mode from off-road to efficiency to dynamic and so forth. We also find hill assist, hill descent buttons and the very interesting camera sentry mode, which shows exactly what the environment around the car looks like. There is a keypad to interact with the infotainment unit. It has a shortcut buttons for radio, media, navigation and phone. Those are also selectable with the control wheel through the main menu. And then the concealed cup holder with heated and cooling modes. Really neat. A pretty generous armrest compartment with auxiliary and USB port. But the real cherry on the cake, and perhaps my all-time favorite feature on any car, has to be the sunroof. Here we find a huge one too, equipped with motorized curtain and 2 steps opening with the usual windbreaker as well. To complete the picture, we have the built-in overtaking door warning light that works also when the car is standstill. And then the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system with 19 speakers and 755 watts of total output. Let's explore the rear seats area now with the black leather package and the 3 very comfortable foldable seats, a great armrest with dual concealed cup holders and the 3 zones air conditioning with dedicated controls. A very cozy environment indeed, made even more enjoyable with the open roof. The cargo bay is definitely wide and allows easy loading from any angle. Note the latches on the sides to allow seats to fold without overextending your arm and make awkward movements. Definitely a great touch by Audi there. Look at all that space. Wow, that's plenty. Under the cover here we don't find a full-size spare tire but rather a space-saver one. And then the hatch closing buttons with another added one for closing the hatch and locking the car all together at the same time. Very neat. And also the rear hatch can be opened with the key fob by just pressing the dedicated button 2 times. What a great car altogether, offering the best of sport, luxury, entertainment, loading capacity, towing, and the looks. This Audi Q5 has it all and can do it all. What an opportunity, guys. Now that we have it on a hoist, we can have a look at the underbody of the car, noticing that everything is in place and looking almost brand new. This is given to the fact that this car has only traveled 22,000 kilometers, and that speaks volumes on its conditions. Here's the tow bar with the electrical connector for the trailer, another cool thing to have that makes it a great all-rounder. An opportunity that doesn't come up often, especially considering the nature of the vehicle, the options it has, and the immaculate conditions it is presented. This 2019 Audi Q5 is currently located in Auckland, New Zealand, and here is our contact details for you. Be in touch today to secure this great Audi for you and your family to enjoy and be happy. Only here at Savage Motors.